Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Chrome extensions on your Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches and you see your main window, you'll want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. In your address bar at the top, type in chromewebstore.google.com and press enter. This will take you directly to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and install extensions that work seamlessly with Brave since both browsers are built on the same Chromium foundation. Once the Chrome Web Store page loads, you'll notice a search bar at the top left corner of the screen. This is where you can find any extension you're looking for. Click on the search bar and type in the name of the extension you want to download. For example, if you're looking for a productivity tool, an ad blocker, or any other specific extension, just enter its name here. This search feature helps you quickly locate exactly what you need among the thousands of available extensions in the store. After you've entered your search query and pressed enter, you'll see a list of results appear on the screen. Browse through the options and locate the specific extension you want to install. Once you've found it, click directly on the extension to open its detailed page. This page will show you information about the extension, including its features, user reviews, and permissions it requires, so you can make an informed decision before installing. Now, on the extension's detail page, you'll see a button that says Add to Brave in the upper right section. This button is specifically adapted for Brave users even though you're on the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and click on Add to Brave to begin the installation process. This tells the browser that you want to add this particular extension to your system. After clicking Add to Brave, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm the installation. This pop-up displays the permissions the extension will have access to once installed. Review these permissions carefully to ensure you're comfortable with what the extension can access. Then click on Add Extension to confirm and complete the installation. The browser will now download and install the extension automatically. And that's it. The extension is now installed and active in your Brave browser, ready to use with all its features and functionality. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.